Bas,
Sir, sir.
may shout out.
Sir.
For class, I just want to announce we have a decorate meeting on Friday at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Alright, everyone. Let's plan the task for next Friday. And we need to decide the budget for decoration and activities and how we will talk about it.
Alright, we have 6,000 in the class fund. If we allocate 3,000 for decoration, 2,000 for games, and 2,000 for snacks. For decoration, you can buy balloon and you can buy a few table, ornaments decorate, balloon cones 500, shimmers 800, or ornaments is 10,000.
For games, I suggest ring toss, balloon kilays, and garter relays. Ring toss costs at 800, balloon kilays, and garter relays is 700. If you agree, I suggest a volunteer to run each game.
I make poster and send announcement on our class chat. Poster will be class prayer next Friday 9 to 10 p.m. This school hall.
Our class, is agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This plan sounds well thought out. Just a few. This plan sounds well thought out. Just a few corrections for the announcement. It's better to announce 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. to avoid confusion. Also, please remind students to clean up afterwards.
Okay, when you finish the poster, send me a graph for it.
Thank you, Jesus. I make the poster now and send it to you by 5 p.m.
Perfect. The budget is set for the decoration for each game, and all the games are prepared.
Thank Jesus and the Rimar will help you to pick up the materials for the game both after school.
Great job, everyone. Let's enjoy our next Friday.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.